Hello guys, today I want to tell you about exciting news that happened with Laravel Breeze starter kit this week with the new release of version 1.24 where Nunu Maduro added Livewire stack. And Taylor tweeted about it this week, which means that when you run Breeze install you may choose Livewire now. With that, you can enable single page application behavior without Vue.js or any JavaScript. Let me show you how it works. So here I am in a fresh Laravel project with Breeze already installed with Composer, and now I run Breeze install, and one of the new options as expected is Livewire. And this, by the way, this interface is powered by new Laravel prompts package, which is really cool, so we can navigate between the options. Let's choose Livewire, a few more options, don't care about testing at the moment, and it installs, as you can see, not only Livewire but also Livewire Vault. If you haven't seen Vault in action, I have a separate video about it, and I will link that in the description below. So the installation is finished, and now if we run the page, launch the page in the browser, and I click register, see how fast it is. The transition between homepage and register, it is instant. It is a single page application with Wire Navigate of the new Livewire 3. Now if we try to register with Fakefill or Chrome extension, and now let's see the navigation between dashboard and profile. See how fast it is. It is instant. Dashboard, the URL changes, the page changes, but it is blazingly fast with, again, single page application behavior and Wire Navigate. Now let's take a look. How does it work in the code? If we take a look at the routes web of the project, there's dashboard and profile, and they're both route view without any Livewire yet. And inside of those, dashboard blade, it's a simple blade, nothing really fancy here. In the profile blade, it's also a blade with just Livewire components for each of the two forms, and we will get to those in a minute. But the magic of navigation happens in the layout. So there's resources, views, layouts app blade, which has Livewire component of layout navigation. So if we navigate to resources, views, Livewire, layout, navigation, you can see Livewire Vault in action. Vault is a way to write Livewire components without Livewire components class, only in Blade. So this part would otherwise be in the app Livewire navigation class or something, but in this case we can just use Blade, and inside of that Blade you have Alpine, which is pre-installed with Livewire 3, and in the links of that navigation dashboard we have Wire Navigate. In the profile, X drop-down link, which is a Blade component with just link, also has Wire Navigate. That's how that navigation works. And also Wire Navigate is inside of auth pages when you log out. So Laravel Breeze uses auth.php, routes auth.php as a separate route file. And all those guests pages are Vault route based. Again, I will link the documentation to Vault in the description below so you can check that out yourself. But basically register page extends the guest layout of Blade. And on top we have the link to Wire Navigate homepage. So yeah, Wire Navigate is Livewire 3 way to achieve single page application. But that is not all about Livewire in the new Laravel Breeze. If we navigate to profile, and I told you we will get to that in a minute, for example, if you want to update the name or the email, for example, add some letter, you click save, and it is saved instantly. In a second that will disappear, it already has, so there's no page refresh, there's no navigation anywhere, it's inside of that specific form, which is a Livewire component. And update password is another Livewire component, and delete account probably is too. So let's check that out. If we go to profile blade again, to the Laravel blade, it's not Livewire. Inside of that there's Livewire component, profile, update profile. And all those components are blade files of resources, views, profile. So let's see, update profile information form. Again, it is powered by Vault. So there's no separate class of app Livewire. If we navigate here, there's no app Livewire folder as you would expect with Livewire. In Livewire 2 it was app HTTP Livewire. In Livewire 3 it's app Livewire, but with Vault you don't need classes or components. It's all in the blade. with methods that you define inside of that blade. So mount, update the information. This code is almost the same as Laravel JetStream, to be honest, because Laravel JetStream also has separate forms inside. But with Livewire, it works like this: wire submit and method, which is defined on top here, update profile information. It reminds of a Vue.js component, for example, with script and template. So how it works and how it looks, pretty similar logic. And then each field has wire model with name, wire model email, which are defined in the component within the same blade file again. Now, disclaimer or clarification, you don't have to use all of that code with that exact option. You don't have to use Vault if you use Livewire. Also, you do not have to use Livewire in Breeze. This is a new option with version 124 of Breeze, but it's optional. You can use just Blade like you used to do, and it's all fine. As in many things with Laravel, Laravel offers options. And even within their official bootcamp, so recently, not sure if you're aware, they released Laravel Bootcamp for those who want to just start with Laravel from the very beginning with a practical project. So there are 3 kind of stacks or options to choose: regular Blade, Inertia, and now a new thing, which also Nuno prepared alongside the Breeze release. So build the same demo project with Livewire. And with Livewire, meaning not only Livewire, but Vault as well. So you can see Livewire here with PHP Artisan make Vault. Again, this is optional, but pretty convenient if you have small components which more or less fit in one blade file. What do you think about this Laravel Breeze with Livewire? Would you use it yourself? Share your opinions in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel to get news like this one, because I will keep informing you if something interesting is released in Laravel community. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.